Yeah, so part two of Dave and Buster's. As I was saying, we've had kind of the three legs down, and again, then we dropped right into the $46 range, and today we're seeing that quite a jump up. Not really on super strong volume, but this drop here from the 58 to 50. We did see very high volume, and maybe that was a bit of a liquidation. And this area here, we might start seeing some kind of value growth investors, which a lot of mutual funds and investors look for, something that's not really too overvalued and has good long-term growth. And I think Dave and Buster's has that. I think in the $40 range, you'd be looking at quite good value, and I'd also be getting concerned that maybe I'm missing something. That isn't bad, but when you start digging in, because it's the nature of their business, they do have a lot of leases. They lease the restaurants, and those leases, they're long-term leases, so there is quite a penalty to break those leases. So if for some reason their restaurant business lost popularity and weren't generating the free cash flow and wanted to get out of their leases, there would be quite a penalty to do that. And but I don't think that's really an issue right now. The quarterly data has again been, that kind of steady growth from quarter to quarter. Earnings change quite a bit. There's a little bit of seasonality, and earnings for 2017 right now are about $275. For 2018, about $315. So if you give a P/E ratio of 20, which I think is about right in this market, with a growth rate of 10%, we get a value of around $55 and $60. So, and then if it turns around and gets some momentum, we could actually go to a little bit on the overvalued side of that, at which time I'd probably sell a little bit, or just do some more covered calls, maybe a little bit aggressively, not being too concerned about them being taken away. And the way I look at it, if the next 5 years, if we get back to where it was just a few months ago at 74, it will still turn into a relatively good investment. So I don't really have too much more to say on that. I just interested to see how this plays out. And thank you for watching this video, and I'll try maybe get another one out by the end of the week. Thank you. Bye.